Asibingelele kubabukeli beNtuzuma TV. Uchef ongapheki lo fika selidekiwe itafula. Namhlanje balidekela eworkshop. Mfowethu nginifica senini la eworkshop. Iqhamuka le ndlela yeni namhlanje?
Sisuke lapha ngase City Hall sagudla sathi sazofika la ICC. Uyazi ke mandate isafana. Sithi abantu bokufika aba illegal abahambe bethu and vele labantu babenqunyela umhla ka30 ukuthi mina ke kwakhona leya ke uba peaceful nje pheze ngisazongena kuyona kodwa uqhubeke neinterview.
Mfowethu, before we go any further mfowethu, nguchef ongapheki ubhodi bambizo bakwabangamazi.
Igama uwandile method ngokaNsibande Sibongo. Insizwa nje engapha la esidabuka khona kusenkandla kodwa ke ngokukhula nokuzalwa ngakhulela eShowe nakhona la eThekwini. So ngikhona nje futhi ngiyonke indawo ngikhona la ku music ngikhona nase emabhizinisini amancane ngakuyona ke March and March. I've been part of March and March ever since iqala up until now.
Mfowethu njengelunga le March and March kukafika umhla ka30 bahamba abanye. But ngibona kwamanye amalokishi kuthiwa sebebuyile laba bade behambele baya koZimbabwe. Kukuphatha kanjani ukuzwa indaba enjengalezo futhi?
Masokhuluma ngokuthi kungiphatha kanjani. Angingasho nje ukuthi ngibuka mina ukuba ntekenteke kwamadoda esinawo noma ngingasho ukuthi amadoda kweinsizwa futhi ngingasho nokuthi insizwa ngazi ngathini abafana abakhona emalokishini nobucoki nje esinabo singamadoda nje kumele ngabe siyabumela ubudoda bethu ngoba phela la sikhuluma ngezwe andithina umsebenzi wethu vele ukuvikela izwe, sivikela imindeni yethu, sivikela imiphakathi yethu, sivikela izingane zethu. So mangabe sihluleka ukwenza lokho kufanele umuntu nomuntu athi noma ehlezi kade eqeda ukugeza ethi udlule esibukweni ayibuka ayibona hayi ngisahluleki sendoda.
Mfowethu njengamanje sila iICC ila emva kwethu. Imessage yakho mhlawumbe kuhulumeni bakulamazwe la eSADC okugcwele bonke labantu aba around the SADC region ungathini mhlawumbe kulabo uhulumeni abala ngabantu babala ezweni?
Ukuze izozwakala yonke indawo siyiphonse esingesini. This is a message to all the presidents and leaders and content creators from all the SADC countries. Stop spreading lies. Stop telling people something that doesn't even exist. They are busy telling people that South Africans are xenophobic, and that is their argument. And whenever we as South Africans, along with many other countries, we are saying illegal immigrants are committing crimes in our country. First of all, being in a country illegally is a crime. So why when it comes to South Africa, whenever we're trying to express our feelings about what these illegal immigrants are doing in the country, even those that are here legally, there are those that have already are committing crimes, simply because the immigration laws of South Africa are not being followed. We have a problem from Home Affairs, from our government, our president, ANC, IFP, because we cannot say, including ETA and the AfriForum. The problem is now in South Africa is that these countries and these content creators from these countries, they're not realizing one thing. When we were under apartheid, or before even apartheid, when whites came into South Africa or came into Africa, they came to enslave black people. And after we fought Sapuma with apartheid, then they couldn't enslave us. Ne? So now they opted for other people from African countries who are coming in illegally, because those people don't have rights. So instead of paying someone 10,000, you can pay them as little as 2,000 rand. They will take the job and do the job. So those people from these African countries, they came into South Africa to be slaves. These spaza shops, let me tell you something about the Pakistanians that are in these spaza shops. Most of them, they don't own those spaza shops. They don't even have enough funds to start those spaza shops. But instead, some of the people, a few individuals, they go to Pakistan or Ethiopia or wherever and kidnap other Pakistanians, bring them to South Africa illegally, and then put them into these spaza shops as their slaves. They sleep there, they shit there, they do everything there. And they know that even if they pay these people 200 rand a month, they will take it because they don't have other options. These people in these spaza shops, they cannot even run back to their countries because they can't afford it. Those that can afford it, they owning more than 10, 15, 30 spaza shops, using these ones as their slaves.
So, in the current matter now, our president has apologized on behalf of South Africans for all the things that we've done as South Africans chasing out these people. So when this president came down to South Africa, he apologized. What are your thoughts on that?
No, ilula lento mfethu. Sina sikaze sibe no president. Let me tell you something, mina ngikhule eKhabe besi ANC. So sizalwe si ANC. But that day kuthiwa uRamaphosa uzoba upresident we ANC. That was the last time I voted ANC, because I asked the question ukuthi lo muntu lo okuthiwa namhlanje uzoba upresident, is it a reward anikwa yona after ekubulala abantu eMarikana? And then I asked the question yokuthi if lo muntu wakwazi ukuthi abantu betoyiza eMarikana betoyizela just a mere 12,500 rand, athi labantu bagcina befa abantu befela lokho, from the mines that are making billions every day, exploiting billions every day in South Africa. So they cannot even pay them 12,500. And then now, the same person that was involved in that scandal, niyambuyisa nizothi akabe upresident. So it's a reward yokuthi akabathanda abantu. And tell me, njengoba esengenile upresident, nizoke niphinde nibe namalungelo yini South Africa whereby nizothi niyamasha against ama wages, against what as South Africans?
So mfowethu, ngoba ningekho happy and ningagculisekile ngo government, sibheka umhla ka4 njengamanje, what can South Africans do to change the current government, because clearly most people are not happy?
Namanje ngizobuyela back to president esinayo njengamanje. Upresident esinayo njengamanje, abantu abanyuselwe imali, othisha, amaphoyisa njengoba emile nje egcwele la, mhlawumbe angazi aseneminyaka emingaka enganyuselwe imali, kodwa ukudla kunyuka zonke izinsuku. Upetrol uke wanyuka wazofika ko 36 rand, ko 27 rand, ko bani. But thina sakwazi ukumasha against upresident Zuma. Angifuni kube ngathi ngidefend uZuma, but ngikhuluma ngathi thina ama South Africans. Noma Lemo wabehamba phambili, no UDM, no bani, no Cope, begijima phambili. Upetrol ngaleso sikhathi wawu 9 rand 99. Simasha against uZuma. Namhlanje sino petrol o 20 something rand. But akekho futhi ocabanga ukumasha. Yini ndaba ayisaba kuRamaphosa? Siyazi vele mhlambe inkulu lento ababambe ngayo, ngoba siyabona ngisho ku constitutional court ubabambile iphalaphala akwenzeki lutho, akathinteki, bayamsaba, bayazi thina simsabe ke Nkosi yami. Fana namakwerekwere lawo asiwasabi, kuukuthi kuphela sisazama ukuthi sihloniphe umthetho. And ngeke ngibona abantu belokho bethi peaceful one, asisafuni ukuba peaceful. Umuntu ongafuni ukuba peaceful akangabi peaceful, kusho mina ngisekho peaceful, vela ngiyaze ngiyithanda indaba ukuba peaceful. Ongathandi ukuba peaceful akekho ozokutshela ukuthi ungabi peaceful, but ukuze labantu bahambe sekufanele si-act manje, because bona basibulala mfethu. Yabona njengamanje in the past kusukela nje ngoJune kuza manje mhlambe sekunabantu aba more than 15 ababulawa amakwerekwere bebabulalela ukuthi bakhuluma lento ukuthi ama-foreigner wahamba
Yes.
yabo. So yini thina siyawasaba nganhlahlala amakwerekwere mfethu, asiwasaba
Mfowethu.
kuphela sizama ukuhlonipha umthetho, but the same mthetho esithi siyawuhlonipha uphethwe abantu abangawuhloniphi, because the same police are the ones kumanje mfethu uGeneral Mkhwanazi office lakhe lila la eduze
Bramfish.
provincial office
Yeah.
and liwumakhelwane wePoint, but ePoint there is prostitution, there is drugs adayiswa every day, there is what there is St George's ukudla like ithe kulonke libolile.